All right, in a stainless steel bowl, you're going to get 1 cup of water, warm water around 110 degrees. You're going to get some yeast. Let it activate, roughly about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, once it activates, go ahead and add your flour. And your salt. You want to use maybe a fork to incorporate it in. This is a no-knead dough. It's like a rustic dough. All right, once you get it all worked in, go ahead and remove it. And then go ahead and either get another bowl or clean this one. Basically, you want it about this size. So let's go ahead and grab a little oil, not too much. Maybe get a towel and kind of get the sides greased up. Go ahead and get your dough. Place it back in. We're going to cover it with foil. Cover it with foil. And we're going to refrigerate it overnight. We'll go ahead and label, and then tomorrow we're literally going to place it right into the oven with the foil on for about the first 20 minutes, and then we're going to uncover it and then cook it or bake it another 15 to 20 minutes just to brown it. All right, get your pan on really hot. Just go ahead and get your chicken, cut it into slivers. You want to cut it into chunks, you can. This will eventually all cook through. I like to go slivers. So thin, long slices. Something like this, as you can see. Again, really nice and hot on the pan. You want a nice sear on this chicken. Season your chicken with salt and pepper. Get your pan, hit it with the olive oil. About a good couple of tablespoons. Make sure you get the edges. Go through the edges. Smoky point's good. Then you're going to go ahead and get your chicken, place it in. Let it go. All right. Make sure that's what you're looking for. Get a nice good brown. Add your sausage. You want to get that nice and brown as well. You just kind of get your chicken, place it on top, weight it down. And you get a nice good caramelization on the sausage. This is add your veggies, your peppers, and your onion. Add your potatoes. Add your paprika. This is paprika, so you gotta add a good amount. Add your chili flakes, depending on how hot you want it. Add your stock. Then you're gonna add your tomato sauce or tomatoes, fresh tomatoes with tomato juice. And break them down. And at this point, you want to let it simmer until the potatoes are cooked. And then salt and pepper to taste. Just a little. Remember, you put some on your chicken. And we'll let that simmer until the potatoes are cooked, roughly about 20 minutes. All right, after about 20 minutes, just check your potatoes, and then we'll go ahead and get it into a container and let it sit overnight so it marries all these flavors, and tomorrow it's going to taste a lot better with the bread. All right, on day 2, just get it right back onto the stove, reheat it. It's going to taste a lot better after sitting overnight. For the bread, you're going to go ahead and put that into the oven, 425 degrees, covered for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then we're going to remove it, and then, or not remove it, we're going to uncover and then give it another 20 minutes or so. Okay, so we just removed it, and this is what it should look like, nice and golden brown. It's got a nice good crust, and that's what you're looking for. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and serve it up into a bowl. You have your potatoes, you got your chicken, then you have your bread, which is nice and crusty. Just take a piece off and enjoy.